Sugar Rush Peach Stripey or Armageddons? Which ones are next? Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Saturday to you all. Saturday the 8th of August 2026, and it's day 174 of the Chilli grow up. Now we've done watering, fertilizing, pod progression, what have you, checking everything through. So I thought we'd change it up a little bit now. We're gonna have a look at what's next, what's coming up, what's gonna be harvested next. Now we've checked the sweet peppers, sweet bananas, the buena mulatas, and the padrones over there. So let's have a little look at, say, the superhots, and we'll see what's coming up next, what's due to be harvested next. Other than that, hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend and a great Saturday. It's 22 degrees here, nice and bright. Bit of cloud, but not too bad. Lucy, you're enjoying the sun, aren't you, kid? So yeah, let's have a check through some plants we haven't had a look through for a while. Mainly the superhots and the striped peppers, and we'll see how they're doing. Let's do this. Let's get into day 174. Happy Saturday, Lucy. You ready for your egg? Okay. Can I get a paw? Paw. Thank you. Enjoy. Start with the Armageddons. Looking great. Let's go over to the bigger one over here. So out of all the superhots, this is what's progressing the most. We've got lots of flowers and lots of pods already showing. Looking great. And we do have one over here that's not really producing just yet. Just about starting to. So that's the Armageddons at the moment. We do have pods on the way. And our ghost peppers. We have so many. Nothing turning red yet. But it'll only be a matter of time. And hopefully none of these get any more blossom end rot. Because we're going to go over to the other ghost pepper plant right now. And I think we do have another one that needs plucking. But let's have a quick check. Lots going on there. I was a bit worried about this bigger one here. Let me show you, spin him around. See, quite dark. So let's actually pluck him, because I think it's safe to say that's blossom end rot. Shame, because he's massive, look. But there we go. Rest of them looking okay on the ghost pepper. Here's a Carolina Reaper. Now we do have flowers, look. But no pods just yet. Lovely thick plant. Bushing out nicely. But no pods just yet on the Carolina Reaper. Let's move on to Sugar Rush Peach Stripeys. They have done so well. We've got lots of pods now. Flowers on the top, and look at these. That one's probably the palest, starting to turn there. So many. And then we have this one here. Just starting to show up, look. And then we'll go around to this one. We're starting to get more there as well. And then we also have this one here. Looking Fantastic. Just starting to show some pods there, look. Coming on nicely on the Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Now we have a couple of Zebrange and they're all kind of in the same stage. Flowers, buds on the top. But this one in particular, are you ready? Look at that. Our first Zebrange pods. So they're going to be like bell peppers, spicy with a stripe, orange stripe in them. So I can't wait to try these. But there we go. Should be ready soon. Probably ready before the peach stripies. But there's the Zebrange. Showing pods. Just perfect. Here's the Zimbabwe Black. And if you look really closely, I'm going to move some branches here. Do you see? There we go, look. Just starting to show them. Little tiny black peppers are starting to show up. Beautiful. Zimbabwe Black. So there we go, that wraps up day 174. A little bit different, so I think it's safe to say Superhots are on their way, especially the Armageddons. Striped peppers, Sugar Rush Peach Stripies are starting to get a little bit paler. Hopefully we'll get some stripes soon. The Zebranges are showing, and the Cayennes. We've also got some Zimbabwe Black peppers. The ghosts are turning. Hopefully that was the last one that had a bit of blossom end rot. Hopefully. But yeah, they're all looking great. So we'll wrap the video up. Thank you all so much for joining us today. It means the world to Lucy and I. Hope you have a wonderful Saturday. A great weekend. You take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I. Because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a great Saturday. And we will see you tomorrow. See you Sunday for day 175. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.